Hello students! To follow the unit that we have currently been studying on plant cells and animal cells, we will be using Jello and fruit to make 3D representations of a plant cell and an animal cell. In the slide that you are seeing, this is your materials needed. You will need one plastic container, 2 plastic sacks, twisty ties, a bowl of fruit, and Knox Block's gelatin mixture that you will obtain from the teacher. In the slides to follow, this is a step-by-step process in which you should follow to make your 3D representations of your plant cell and your animal cell. From your materials provided, you will take one plastic sack and place it in one of your plastic containers. You will place it into the container with the excess plastic outside of the container. We will use this as our cell 1. The next picture is a representation of cell 2. You will use one of your plastic sacks and have it just opened on your countertop. You will not use a plastic container for this cell. Your next step is to obtain the gelatin mixture from the teacher. You will raise your hand, and as you raise your hand, the teacher will come around the classroom and pour the gelatin mixture into your plastic sack for cell 1. In this next picture, you will obtain gelatin mixture for your cell 2, which is your open sack without the plastic container. You will also raise your hand for this process, and the teacher will come around and pour the gelatin mixture into this plastic sack. In this next step, you will take your fruit provided in your fruit bowls and place your fruit in the gelatin mixture in accordance with how the organelles are placed throughout the cell. This will be done for cell 1. You will repeat that step for cell 2, taking your fruit and placing it in the cell as arranged to represent the cell organelles. In this step, you will use your twisty ties to close your plastic sack for cell 1. You will leave the plastic sack in the plastic container to retain its shape. For cell 2, you will also close your plastic sack with a twisty tie. Once you are finished with all of these steps, you will label with your group name and your group members your cells before you bring them to the teacher. After you bring them to the teacher will place them in the refrigerator to set, and we will revisit the cells at our next class meeting.